It's the 27th of July. It's the day before moving out of the student house. So I won't be living in any more student houses anymore. Sounds a bit sad, to be honest. It's gone really quickly, just the whole university life and moving from place to place, taking stuff down, moving it in, moving it out. So I'm moving out of the house tomorrow. We're going down there today to move all the stuff out, move it back here so I can start my new job. I'll be sort of going to and from Bournemouth and London. That's where I'm based. But please don't stalk me. It's really hot in this car. That's what the plan is. Mum's helping me move out, which is nice of her. She's driving me down and say goodbye to everyone for the last time. I think I'll miss everyone, but in particular Marie the most, because I've lived with her for the longest. So I've lived with her for 3 years. It's gonna be an emotional vlog, I reckon. So stay tuned for that. Hi. Marie and you song. Brother and sister of the house, really. Your face. I can't put that in. Bloody hell. What was your favourite part about living with me?
The part when you went on holiday.
I'm kidding. It's a joke. So Harvey's off. See you later. Good luck in life. Family photo. Okay.
Oh,
You sung?
my scoliosis.
Currently packing all the kitchen stuff, and there's a lot more to do than I thought there was. You gonna help?
Is this yours?
That's the houses.
Is that the houses?
That's the houses.
My one we did have, but someone broke it.
Don't look at me.
Marie's just packing up the last few bits. Right, so we've been cleaning the house all day. It's about 8 o'clock now. It took a lot longer than expected to clean everything. The kitchen is pretty much packed. Just got to sort out the last few bits. No. It's been a long day, very emotional. Last time to say goodbye to me.
No, stop. No, look at me. She doesn't even care that you're leaving, you son. Bye.
You guys are seeing each other in like a week or something.
It's the next morning. Today I've got to return the keys by midday. Make sure that the last of the cleaning is done. I didn't film very much yesterday just because it was just a case of tidying up and sorting out everything, which was probably not that interesting, if anything. Everything's back in the original position. Just moving everything back into the car at the moment. So we are pretty much finished with the packing. My room looks so bare and empty. I think I'll miss this room the most and this house the most. This fireplace was a nice addition to the room as well. I think I'll miss this house the most just because it felt like the most homely. Just the whole style of it. People were fine. These housemates were great and this house was great. So yeah, a bit sad.
I can
Giving
do
you
it.
the keys.
Yeah, I'll see you soon.
That's my house. That's about a third of the rubbish we had to get rid of. Right, everybody say bye.
The route is being calculated.
You just interrupted my video.
It's quite funny. Home by 20 to 1. She reckons it's going to take 3 hours.
Aren't you lucky? When you move house or just move out in general, there is so much to throw out.
Traffic jam ahead on A338 between Blackwater Junction, Herne, B3073 and Ashley Heath,
Leave that in, it's funny.
A31.
Okay, have you quite finished? So I'll just carry on. Yeah, so we're packed, completely packed.
Please turn left in
She's just
200
taking now.
onto Green Road.